Today we are looking at the Logik LFC55B16 Fridge Freezer in black. Visit the Cool Kitchen website link in the description below this video for more information. Keep your food and drink chilled with the Logik LFC55B16 Fridge Freezer. Storage space. There, LFC55B16 offers you plenty of space to store your chilled and frozen goods. With adjustable shelving in the fridge, you can easily store objects of different sizes. The freezer features 4 drawers to ensure that you can store all of your frozen goods effortlessly. You can utilize the net capacity of 198 liters to store your chilled and frozen goods, while an egg rack and vegetable crisper offer a variety of storage options. Efficient, with an A+ energy rating. There, LFC55B16 Fridge Freezer is an efficient and cost-effective addition to your kitchen. The freezer is frost-free, meaning that you can save yourself time and energy in the kitchen as you will not need to manually defrost the freezer. For chilling options on a budget, consider the Logik LFC55B16 Fridge Freezer in black. Click on the Cool Kitchen website link in the description below this video for more information and to get the cheapest price for this appliance.